Okay, it's not working. Oh, okay. Okay. Now it's working. It's working. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it's working.
Oh.
Okay, hi everyone, and today we will work on new enemy. This turret. Hi everyone. We're today working on this turret. A new enemy we're working on it. Okay. Where I stopped. Okay, make some preparations. I make a base class. Basic functionality. So basic functionality of this enemy. Some basic functionality like you can shoot him. This thing is shooting at us. Like this. Right, here we go. This thing is shooting at us. And it's turning. And it has this bug. Pretty funny bug. Okay, it's pretty funny. Okay. So let's implement a damage system for this stuff. Because now it doesn't work. Because I haven't implemented this. Like you can shoot at this stuff, but this stuff doesn't get any damage. Like this. So let's implement my fancy system. What is it? Okay, let's start with I can get this. Okay, let's go here and copy some stuff. Okay, enemy take damage. This is actually this mini robot AI, like right here. Right here, it's pretty cool. Okay, first what we need is health. Make it on float. Make it at low and set to 1. Okay, the second stage is to implement this event enemy take damage from my base class. My interface. Yeah, right here I have interface enemy take damage. This. And here's some functions. With inputs, but whatever. So, first what we do is we chicken is not dead. Is not destroyed. Okay. Let's change this. Is destroyed. Okay, it's not destroyed. We applying damage. Okay. First what we do with calculating damage. Right here. Here's a small function. Will do this all stuff for me. And here we go, I have implemented this here. Okay, we get in local damage. Then we check in weapon mode. Because it's not laser mode, we haven't have a headshot randomness, this stuff. Okay, this is we have implemented. A second is dismemberment. Okay, I think I don't need this. This is like when you shooting at enemy, different parts of enemy, it's just broken into parts. Enemy is broken into parts. Like this enemy, like if you're shooting at hand, it's just detached from the body. Detaching from the body. something like this. I think I don't need for this. I don't really need for this. Let's just skip this. Okay, this next part is health update. Okay, just can copy this and paste. Okay, click matching function just here and just do that. Okay, next we go inside here and copy all of this stuff. Okay. And paste. Okay, and yeah. Just paste this stuff here. And it's called current health. Yeah. Not just health, but current health. Okay, let's rename it. Okay, I need to connect this local dev. Get local is destroyed. Okay, is okay, is destroyed. This is we getting damage applied, and do this cool stuff, and this stuff, and okay, is the storage set to yes, and what we do next? Okay, just delete this stuff. Okay, now it should be working. Okay, I don't have a health bar reference. This enemy health bar. Okay, I need to add this stuff here. Okay, let's just add to the static. Oh, I actually can do this. It's pretty cool. Okay, where are we getting this reference? Okay, we cast into enemy health bar. Okay. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I just need to skip here. And here delay. Because my play is loading with the game. I need some time to load the player. And we're getting this reference. And I just create a variable. I think it should disappear. Okay, so working. Okay, now I need to copy this stuff. No, not all of this, but this stuff. Copy. Paste this here, and okay, maybe not here, but here. Set sequence. Okay, if you have any question, you can just ask or watch the recording, and after you can ask any question. Okay, let's put this into second stuff. Okay, variable timer set is visible. This is visible. It needs to be visible. Visible. But it's not visible. But I see this stuff. Oh, okay, this is not this. Okay. Okay, let's make it a little bit nice to look at it. Okay, put here. I think it should be working. Now we should have an health bar in the top of the enemy, like when I focus on this, or not. What is this? It's just power. Maybe I should lesion preset to power. Wait. Collision physics act. Okay, let's do this. So this is the physics actor. It should be work. Or not. Oh, yeah. I need to do some stuff in the player blueprint. Sorry, it is an event graphic somewhere. Here we go. Okay, here is to cast to turret. EP turret and put it here. Branch. Yeah. Is destroyed. Get is destroyed here, and if it's not destroyed, we just display in hell. How it's called this hell. Okay, custom function. Okay, just let's copy this function. And display hell. Place this here, here, and now it should be working. Okay, hi. Hi, if you have any questions, you can ask. Like, okay. Okay, now it's I displaying, need to display health. Okay, actually, what are you doing? Like, maybe I should do some explanation. Like I shot in light trace from the center of the camera. I shot in light trace in order to see a distance between enemy and player. If you're colliding with the enemy, with any type of enemy, you display your health bar like this. Should be working now. Okay, it should be working or not. It's not working. Oh, okay, it's not working. Okay, what's not working? Okay, let's see what is doing. Let's see what line trace is doing. Line trace is this line. Okay, it's colliding with the... Okay. Okay, it's fine. Okay, it's colliding, but wait, it's done not displaying any health bar. Maybe I should make this two-sided. Okay, this two-sided. Why it's not working? Health is visible. Distance to 2000 units. They should be working. Let's print strings. What is output of this stuff? Let's do something like that. Okay. Okay, it's showing me that I am hitting BP turret 2. Like, it should be working. Is this invisible? Okay, let's see how it's working. Okay, now I get it. Okay, let me just rotate this right here, like this, and it should be visible now. Okay, I don't see this. I'm gonna set this to visible and see if I got it done. Okay, yeah. I need to parent this to the top part of the. Okay, now it's like rotating with the enemy position. Updating the enemy position. Okay, let's try this. Should be working. Okay, it doesn't work for some reason. It doesn't really work. Okay, maybe. Okay, this is first possible. Okay, let's see what's the problem here. Let's try to disconnect this. Okay, it's not working. Enemy pawn. Right. What is enemy pawn? Okay, this is not related to the enemy. Let's see what it does here. Okay, the hair on is okay. Okay, let's for now make it just visible. Okay, I can see now. This health bar. Okay, it's quite fine. Okay, let's move on. I just move on. I will fix it later. Because it's a little bit boring stuff. Can be boring. Okay, where I stopped? Where we left? Okay, health update. Okay, calculate damage. Okay, health update. Here is setting is enemy is destroyed. Actually, should be working. Okay, is this destroyed? Calculate damage and graph apply damage. He is destroyed. That is to this destroyed branch. circuit branch here, and just, okay, breaking body is not what I need, but enemy depth, destroying process. Okay, I should just copy this and confirm and do this. Go inside and copy all this stuff. Like all this stuff. Okay, now it should be okay. I don't have any. Okay, let's just keep this part for now. Okay, so just let's keep this part for now. It's not as important. Important is to take these damage numbers. Okay, it's BPI damage numbers. Do I need to find a class? Define. Damage numbers. Okay, I need to add damage numbers. Okay, let's add interface and display. Okay, damage numbers it's called. Yeah. And I just need to implement this like target is BPI. Okay, damage numbers. Damage numbers. Okay, right here. And I'll just, okay, I just need to get this hit result and break it. Let's make it nice, because I like it nice when it's looking nice. Okay, I'll get the physics material. Okay, about physics material we have, because this is why I call this system is physics-based damage system, because we're getting a physics material, just a small functions. Like, what is it? Physics material. I saw this in tutorial, pretty much cool. Pretty much, it's pretty cool tutorial I followed, and what is it? Physics materials. This is stuff I think. Like here, I have physics material head damage. I'm just getting physics body and just assigning this stuff. This is how we can know this is what part of the body it is. But for this, it's not kind of confusing. Okay, here is just inputting if this headshot or not. Like, if you're shooting at heads, then this is a headshot. If it's not, then not. This is how it working. Impact point, and what is it? Yeah. And damage. I'm just getting this calculated damage numbers. Or not? Yeah. This is how it should be working. And now it should be working. And now it should be working, I think. Have I missed something? I don't know. Okay, now it should be working. Like, this is a whole system or not? I just missed something. Yeah. Just to connect this with here. Let's put this here and let's test this stuff. Now it should be working. Okay, it's like working. You see, it's working. It's working. It's like working. Okay, it's not working. Okay, let's fix this. Okay, it's like working, but it's not working. No, it's not displaying a damage number. Ability mini robot AI. Okay, need to damage numbers. Let's see. Let's find the reference. Where is it? Base. Let's find out. Is this? Okay, I think it's in play. Damage numbers. I don't see a damage number. Okay, let's just test this stuff. Okay, it should be working. Should be working. It should be working. But it's not working. Maybe this is a problem. Okay. Here is start. Calculate my this. Let's start the physics body. Calculate it as a damage. Okay. Okay. But maybe I said this is destroyed. State is false. Okay, how is our left? Okay. It's like working. It doesn't. Maybe I need to don't have the multiply to less or equal. Can't have minus. Maybe I should just Okay, I don't have a physics body. Can I create the physics or not? No, I can't. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Mhm. Oh, okay, yeah. I can physics material override. I can set physics material somewhere. I had damage. Let's try this now. Now it should be working. Okay, it's like getting damage. But at some point it just stopping getting damage. And let's disable this line trace. Where is it? Okay, yeah, here. And just let's disable this. It's quite annoying. It's quite annoying for it. No, let me. What I can do? What to do is this stuff. Like it should be working, but it doesn't work. Oh yeah, I need to create a hit mark. Oh yeah, here we go. Need to add this to the player viewport. Okay, if it's valid. Hit markers is destroyed. Now it should be work. Now it will work. Yeah. At least I don't have any errors. Okay, it's like working, but it doesn't. Like it's working, but it doesn't work. And let's disable this stuff. Okay, let's think. Let's see. Okay, this is hit mark. Oh, this is a hit mark. What I can do? What is? Sorry. So. Basic display health. That we should be getting. Calculate damage. Physics material. Threshold scale It should be working. Okay, let's calculate damage if it's not laser module. Okay, where is this capitalize? This gun damage threshold scale. If it's not a headshot, it just calculating this local damage. What is local damage? Multiplying this threshold. This where is this damage numbers? Damage numbers. Here we go. And construct plain animation. Okay. This headshot and then construct. Okay, let's find references. Reference viewer. I have this reference name and place except as applied. I think I should. I need to do some more stuff. Let's see. Let's find out. My damage numbers. Looks. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I need to implement this, all this stuff. Inside of the play. Inside of the enemy. Yeah, let's just add this stuff here. Damage and should be working. And now let's find out. Okay, now I see damage numbers. Okay, it's working. Now it's functioning. But now it doesn't work. Okay. Okay. Implement. Okay, point damage. Health. Update. Current health. 10,000 work. Instances and compile. Okay. Okay, let's test this. It's not taking. Mm. Mm. Should be working. Should be working. Mm. Mm. Current is to work. Mm. 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 Should be working. But it doesn't work. Mm. Mm. Okay, let's try this. Don't know this stuff. Okay, it doesn't have. Okay, let's do this. Okay, this side. It doesn't have capsule component. I need this stuff. Let's break this. Remove pin. Play sound. Set subset coverage and type to static mesh base. This, and this. And this. Collection enable. Let's do this. And set simulate physics. Okay, set this. Okay, now it should be working. Let's try. Okay, it's working. Now it's working. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay, it looks pretty strange. Let's get this. Let's create some simple box collision. Let's collision to this tab and to this. Let's create capsule collision. Now let's try this now. Set gravity. Enable gravity, enable gravity, and let's add this stuff. And let's make it. Let's add physics material to this. Like, I don't know, 50%. And for base, 70. It's at 70. Okay, let's try this. No, here it's working. But let's create a new collision to this. Because I don't like this collision. Simple complex collision. Okay, let's create another collision. Convex collision, let's try. Okay, it's like bad. It's working much better. And here you go, it's working. Yes, it's doing some strange stuff, but it's working. And it's like working. There we go. If you have a turret, it's kind of this stuff is. Oh. Yeah. It's doing the same stuff. But now you can shoot at it, it's getting damage and getting destroyed. And it's doing some strange stuff. Okay, maybe you should need to do this. Okay, just put the branch here. Branch, and if it's not destroyed. Oh, hi. Hi. Model. I will make it a little bit later. It's actually not my model, it's model what I followed in tutorial. I followed some tutorial about how to make a turret, and he provides this model. I guess I will make my own model. This is just like for testing purpose. But if you like to see how I modeling stuff, maybe it will be pretty good. Okay, it doesn't work now. Oh. Like, can you show? You talking about tutorial about how to make a turret? I guess I can show actually. Okay, it's working. If you talking about a tutorial about how to make this turret work. Can you show me how to make UI? Some short tutorial. How to make UI? What type UI? Something like I make this like 3D interactive 3D UI, like I attach to the weapon. I guess I can show it if you mean. If you're talking about this UI what I made, I can show how it's working. Okay, there we go, it's fully functional. Like, okay, let me show it. Actually, end this model. How much time is left? 6 minutes, okay. Okay, you are in the car, okay. Let me show. Like, okay, let's start with textures. I have one custom texture that I made in it's this Inkspace program, call it like this program, Inkspace. Just download this program with some tutorials. I made some assets, only one asset in this program, like something like this. Values of UI. Okay, this is only one texture what I have made, what I've made here. So let me show you blueprints. Some blueprints. Where is this? In my weapon base. Okay, here we go. I just where is it? Help bar. Here we go. This code is widget component. Like here we go. I create some widget. This is just the usual widget that I create. Just have some bars and I set some values to these bars. It's pretty easy. Like this is like what I fire type. Okay, it's not like goes here. I get health. get time bar. This should we talk about this later, and stamina. And just assign to these health bars. This is just a bar component of having this progress bar called progress bar, yeah. Then I just add this to weapon, attach to the weapon mesh, and here we go. This is called how it's called, widget component. Here we go. We're just adding this widget, and here we go. And setting here some values, actually size and this type of stuff. And I disable all collisions for this stuff. This is how it works. It's pretty simple. And this is stuff here. This is just a static mesh automated in Blender. And this Blender and here is a mesh. This small mesh. I just assign it to this hologram material. I just find some tutorials about how to make hologram material. And this is like how it works. Okay, let's back to this stuff. I think it's like working. It's working. Okay, I shot at it. It's getting destroyed. And it doesn't work. The only left is to make a material. Where is model from thumbnail? Actually, it's just a AI generated image. Like I try to make something like that. Actually, I'm just experimenting with some AI generated images with stable diffusion. Trying to make something what looks cool. And I will model something like that, but with two barrels. I will make something like that. Like put it a little bit lower. Okay, I think it's like function. Okay, it's what is this? What's it doing? Okay, okay, I just need to make a proper static mesh for this. I just need to make proper static mesh for this stuff. Okay, it's like working. It's like working. And let's do one last thing. About this, actually, it's like a block out here. Actually, I get this static mesh from a tutorial. What I have followed. Where is this? Let me find. Okay, it's still a little bit long. Let me find. Where is this tutorial? I followed a few days ago. Okay, I will end this tutorial. Where is it? Where? Okay, let me find. Okay, let's do this. Okay, here we go. Here is this channel. Okay, point at this. Okay, I need to disable this part. Okay. Turret. Oh, this actually, with this I have some bugs. Here we go, here is this tutorial. Not pretty cool tutorial, this is a model with what he have. I just use this model for now. You can actually follow this tutorial if someone need. I just put this here. If someone is need this tutorial. And put it back. Yeah, I will replace this model. This is just for testing purposes. Oh yeah, actually, okay, I have some bugs about that. Have some bugs, but like if I do this, it will be do this. This stuff is able to do that. I can stay behind and shooting at this section. Maybe I will make it fast. But I can actually, it's not a proper, not a good functionality, but this stuff can do this, like this. Here we go. And I can shoot at it. Like it's don't need to work like that, but it's what it is for now. I just need to make a proper model. And this is what I will do behind this stream, after the stream, I think. And this is how it's working, like it's not working. It's oh yeah, it's working. So I think this will be the end. Thanks for watching and see you in the next live stream. Thank you. Is the next Sunday or Saturday? I don't know. Pretty much at the same time, I think. So, thank you for watching and goodbye. And see you in the next. Because I set a timer for 1 hour only to work on this live stream. Maybe next time I will make a model. Because I need to do a lot of other stuff. So, if you want to see, maybe I will make the next live stream about modeling the enemy robot. And I will make in this. I start to make this turret, actual turret, not this stuff. I mean, so you can follow me or subscribe, or maybe you have subscribed. So okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next live stream. I think this will be about modeling this turret, I think. So goodbye.